What's up, guys? 14 Silver X back, working on our Pac-Man game, and last time we made our Pac-Man be able to shoot fireballs and burn our ghost people, friends, things. And, so the one thing that I did notice is that the power-ups occurred a little too often, making it a bit overpowered. So we're going to reduce the overpoweredness of these fireball things and such. So what we're going to do is we're going to increase the randomness of when it turns into fire. And we'll play the game again, and we're still getting some fire at a pretty quick rate, which means I must increase it some more. So now it'll be pretty rare to see a fire, and there is one down there. So now I'm gonna go pick it up. But as the game progresses, and if you can't get the little marble things, then these power-ups will help you achieve your goal a little bit faster. So now I'm going to add a new power-up, and I just was watching another YouTube channel about Minecraft and stuff. It was Yogscast doing the Skyrim mod for Minecraft. So I was just thinking, why don't we make a Skyrim mod? Let's make a Fos-Du-Ra power-up. Alright, so now I need a new sprite for this power-up. So it's the FDR, not to mistake with the President's Fos-Du-Ra power. And what it's going to be, if the powers of art fail me. Let's see. That was actually sort of what I needed. So now I'm making no. So we're going to make like one of those helmet things that they wear in Skyrim. I can't seem to make. That was horrible. That's not any better, but it will do. Alright. Yeah. Let's just leave it like that. So you get like a helmet thing. And now let's make a new sprite for the Fos-Du-Ra shout thing. And I don't actually know what it looks like, to be honest. I only saw the Minecraft. It was like this giant circular wave. So why don't we do some research? So I'm going to search. Oh, it's Fos-Du-Ra? Well, what am I saying? So let's see. It looks like it is in fact a blue circular wave thing. This is the best part about research. I mean, game making, like the type of research you do. Except when you take it in an advanced research class, this doesn't work like that. Win the world. This is the only problem. You don't get what you're looking for. Oh well, let me see this one. Is that what the helmet looks like? Interesting. Okay, so that is what a Fusruda is. So it's FRD, not FDR, but I'm not going to change it right now. Spread FRD. Okay, I'm going to make this pretty large. So let's make 64. 64. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so take that. So like this, and the circle thing. I'll just have it like fill and unfill. How about that? Yeah. Or actually, this would be blue and this would be like that. Then we take this thing, that, and then that. I don't know. We'll just, you can make it more to your liking. So then, it's the old job of erasing stuff. Wow, that's a bit big. You know what? I liked it better the first one. It's just a giant blue ring. No! Ta-da! Okay. Let's center that. So now, this epic-ish power-up will go to the more advanced score ball, so you can't really get it that often. So now, copy. I'll add a step, paste it. And it'll still be the high chance, except this time it will change into, instead of firepower, it will be Franklin, whatever his middle name was, Roosevelt. Increase the score. And now I go to player 1. Who has an alarm 1? Paste. FRD 1. Fireball. This will be the FRD. Outside of room. Die. and a collision with the P-Ghost. Copy and paste. So, alright, so the FRD. And what I'm actually going to do is going to repeat this. Let's do it 50. Then it sets FRDP to 0. So collision with the player takes FRDP, blah 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 blah. Okay, let's see what we've done. So now I have to wait for one of the big bubble things to turn into a Fasruda helmet. Wait, and I won't be able to see it because I'm just gonna eat it anyway. Ah! You don't know what FRDP is. I panicked and I tried to use Fastura. It's probably because I didn't declare it. Okay. I'm actually going to go here. No, not here. Scoreball. Lower this. Try that. Get away from me. Nom. Nom. Whoa! That wasn't supposed to turn into a fire. Of course. FRDP. And just ignore me, just hanging up. Oh, he said ignore me. Now you get eaten. Nom. Burn, 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 burn. Uh-oh. Fastura is down there. Or Fasuda. Fasuda, no! Let me get my Fasruda. Yay! That didn't really work as I hoped it would. It worked. I mean, I Fasrudad, but didn't really get the effect that I wanted. Repeat 50 times. Instead, I'm going to delete. And speed will be... So this is what you want to put in if you want to do random. And if you want it to be a whole number, well, if you want to choose a random number, you type in random. But if you want it to be a whole number, you put I random. And if you want a certain set of numbers, you put underscore range, and then the range you want. I'm going to say 5 to 20. Close parenthesis. Okay, okay. And then you can find a sound clip somewhere that says Fasuda and implement that sound once you use Fasuda. And I'm going to, pick up a Fasuda. Fasuda! That didn't work either, because I didn't repeat. So what I didn't do is I should have left the repeat thing in there. that I'd have to take out the fire. I'm gonna have to take out the fire. I want that. Stop crowding around it. Die. Just die. Aha! Now I'm waiting for the best moment. Or whatever. Okay, that worked. Me gusta. So that's how you put Fassruda to Pac-Man. Oh, and one other thing that you may not have noticed. Just, let's see. So a player keeps track of the score. Does he keep track of the score? Who keeps track of the score? Ah, this, alright, so he does. So we're going to show the lives. Show. Now, when you move on to, I think it's another room, your live, you may notice your lives resetting. So I'm going to go down to 2 lives. And now I'm going to nom. Get away from me, or I will eat you, I will eat your soul, because you are souls. And now my lives go back to 3. Fassruda! Fassruda! Okay, so we need to fix this. Instead of create, we're going to cut that. And score, you want to cut that too. Or else you're going to just like lose your score and stuff. You're going to paste. You're going to paste again. You're going to stop pasting. Oh my god! You're going to delete. Just until you have 1 left. Then you go back. And I already frigging cut it. Alright. Put this back in here. Set new lives to 3. Alright. Okay. And then everything should be good. Now, maybe you want to clear your high scores after you finish your game. That's easy. All you have to do is in game start, you put the score, you put clear high score. You run the game, it clears the high scores, then you take it out, and your high score table is reset. That's something I think I failed to mention in the last game, so just make sure you check that. Let's make this game maybe a little more challenging. What we're going to do is we're going to increase the speed like I did before in the other videos so that we didn't have to wait all that time. So let's increase the speed. See what happens. So yeah, this may increase the difficulty of your game because now you're moving a bit faster. The ghosts are moving a bit faster. And you have to pay attention to all of them and avoid getting eaten. And also, in the Pac-Man object, you can set it to where if a score reaches a certain amount, or you make like a new variable, that it will increase your lives by 1. So let me show you. What you do is in player 1, you create a new variable called, well, you have to remember it. So it's, how about we go LP. It's equal to 0. And in step, what happens, or actually, delete, because now I'm going to have to do that. No, wait, basically what you can do is you can check the score to see if it reaches a certain level. So, for example, in step... No, that wouldn't work either. Alright, what you do is everywhere you change score, you will also change LP. Then you say if LP is equal to, let's say, 1,000, lives is equal to 1 relative. That will increase your lives, and then after that you say LP equals 0. And then it just has to go back to 1,000, so every 1,000 you get a new life. Alright, so we're basically done with this game. I will be moving on to our next game, which will probably be Doodle Jump, with the side of first-person shooter for pro version users. And yeah, I need to get to work on my game, and I just have so much work today. There's work I want to do, and work I don't want to do. The days need to be longer. So very, very muchly longer. Well, don't forget to save your game. Please subscribe. If you already subscribed, thank you. And yeah, and Pac-Man and Fasruda and things and other things. And thank you for watching. I will see you next time.